Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the latest feature called Agent Tasks. Now these tasks are scheduled queries to prevent issues from occurring, and you can see that some of these tasks are regarding cost optimizations, any kind of risk assessments, or maybe HTTP errors. So before I dive into this, I want to give you the lay of the land. So what I have is a project with a GitHub connection as well as Jira, and then we're connected to an MCP server to retrieve logs, traces, and metrics from a web page. And that web page is actually our homepage, which is newbird.ai. So let me show you how we debug issues automatically, create PRs automatically through this agent as well. So if we head back to the agent tasks, one thing I want to showcase is called the HubSpot form submission issue check. Now, I have this investigation run on a regular basis, and so it is a scheduled agent task, and you can see that I can either schedule it on a weekly basis, daily, hourly, or a manual kind of a cron type of a schedule. So it's ran a couple of minutes ago, and I'll show you what that looks like. But it will run this prompt as an investigation, which is to scan for any kind of HubSpot form submission issues. And this is important for us because, well, we have leads coming in and they're submitting through HubSpot. If there are any issues and users can't submit, those users have fallen through the cracks, which is not good. So to show you an example of that, I have this web page. So let's fill this out. And basically, when I try to submit it, I get this error that something has gone wrong. So from the user perspective, they'll shrug and say, oh, well, it doesn't work, and they'll just maybe leave. So we're going to fix this automatically. What's happened is based on the schedule, this has run a couple of minutes ago. So if we take a look, we have this latest run 13 minutes ago, and it's checking for the HubSpot error submission. If I click this now, it'll show me the actual investigations, and it'll show me what it's found. So it has determined that there's a bug in the code, that there's a missing field in the front end. So it seems to me that there was a field created in HubSpot backend, but that hasn't been propagated over to the website code. So there is the issue. So it's missing the company field. And if I take a look at the artifacts, I could see that as part of this whole flow of actions, as you can see that it's associated to a workflow, and the workflow is to create a Jira ticket and then hand off to GitHub's Copilot to actually make the code fixes, right? So if I take a look at the artifacts, I could see that I have a Jira ticket for the corresponding issue, and then I also have the corresponding GitHub pull request. So basically what happens is an error has occurred, and then Newbird has automatically detected the error. It has come up with a code fix, and now when I log in the morning, all I have to do is go and look at this pull request and see what it's all about. Here it is. Hey, there was an issue of a missing field, and there's a couple of other ones that it also picked up to help in this case. So what I will do is do a quick review. I think I need to click this. It is ready. So let's go ahead and merge this pull request. Looks like our deployment has completed. I'm going to go to the web page and let's refresh it. When we refresh, we could see that the company name field has been added. So just like that, let's just put in our info, Newbird, and submit. So now the form is working again. And just like that, Agent Tasks has allowed me to kind of be hands-off with my website. So it's going to automatically find these issues. It's going to continuously optimize my environment as far as performance, security, as well as cost optimizations. In addition to any kind of very specific things that I want to look for, I can do that through the agent task as well. So I hope you find this useful, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.